to Behind the Yellow Door at Two Friends. We've got a lot of fun stuff this week, so come on in. Y'all, this week we got in our huge shipment from Oh My Mahjong. And y'all, I am so incredibly tickled with it. Look at this box of tiles from Oh My Mahjong. It's called the Heritage Collection. And it's this beautiful wood pattern on the back of the tiles and kind of browns and dark greens on the front. These are great if you want to have a spring set with the pinks and greens and blues, or if you want to have a fall set with some of the browns and greens and tortoise look there. Or if your husband likes to play, this could be a great set for him. And then we also got in the tortoise acrylic racks and pushers. My daughter Sally played with these not too long ago, and she said it just made an absolutely beautiful table. So I think those are great. We got in the brand new Mahjong card folios. They come in the periwinkle, the green, the light pink, and then the dark pink. But this is for you to put your Mahjong cards in. So if you have multiple cards, you can put them in here. This makes a great gift. And it comes in this beautiful gift box that is absolutely stunning. And then, y'all, we got in from Tara Wilson Designs the acrylic rack and pusher. And the racks are all different colors, but they are scalloped and they are magnetized, so they just clip right on to the back of your rack. I think those are gorgeous as well. And then you have to see this. So number one, this is the box that this comes in. This is called the Charleston set. It's Travel Mahjong set. So let me show you why it's different. So everything you need is in this little goodie bag that comes in that box. You can carry the box or not. But it has the miniature tiles, how cute are these, and the miniature risers, like these. Can y'all see that? So if you're traveling, you're going to grandma's house, or you're headed on a girls trip and you don't want to take your whole big old set, this is really easy, and it also comes with a mat to go with it. So I think that's really fun. So if you've got somebody who's already got their set, but you want to give them a little something extra for birthday or Christmas, we're starting to think about Christmas these days, that's perfect. Now, I have to also show you what just came in. So we carry this drink mix that you pour in your alcohol, pour it into the bag, seal it up, and put it in the freezer. It makes slushy. It makes 8-ounce slushies. And this one, if y'all can't see this, it has the Mahjong tiles all the way around. I think that is so cute. And then you can pair it back with some napkins, and look at the fun spreaders. You can put it all together for a little gift. If you give prizes out for your Mahjong playing times, these make great gifts. I'm just kind of making a mess because I get so excited, y'all. All right, so coming on over here, we also just got in the acrylic bags. A lot of people use these to put their Mahjong tiles in. Got different colors with different monograms. It's just so much fun. I had a lot more than this, and we have already sold about half of what we received. But no worries, because I'm gonna get some more of that. And then over here, look what just came in. Y'all, these are Christmas ornaments. They're the Oh My Mahjong Christmas ornaments. Look at this one. That says BAM. Love it. And again, these can be gifts for a friend, or they can be the prizes. I love this one. There's the Joker. But they can be prizes at your next game day. How fun is that? And then, y'all, I took this home with me. I love it. We have just the table toppers over here, and the table toppers come in this little bag. But and usually what you do with the table topper is you put it over the top of like a 55 by 55 tablecloth, or you can just get this. It is a tablecloth that you just throw over the table, and it still has some of the little fun tips and tricks printed on the mat right there. But on this mat, it has all the same tips and tricks on it. You just layer it differently on the tablecloth. That's really kind of the only difference there. And then I want y'all to see, we got in the Mahjong bags, so you can put your topper, your tablecloth, your tiles, you can put everything you want in the bag and take it with you wherever you go. These are just some fun things that I thought y'all would be interested in. I don't know how it is in your town, but in our town here in St. Simons, Mahjong is going crazy, and it's so much fun to play. So if you're interested, head over to our website, head over to New Arrivals, and they're all right there. All right, one more thing that I wanted to show you before we checked out for tonight is we just got in these beautiful new Bibles. It's the NIV version of, it's called the Artisan Collection Bible, and it's in large print. And what I love about it is that it has lines over here on the side so you can take notes throughout your studies, but it comes in this beautiful pink, and it also comes in this beautiful green, sagey green color with the flowers on it as well. Y'all, these make such wonderful gifts. If you've got somebody on your list that you know would absolutely love one of these, they run right about $70, and we have a few here, and we've got more that are coming. So if you're interested in these, head over again to our website on New Arrivals, and you'll see those there. One more thing, I'm sorry, y'all. I want you to see this fabulous new dress that I have on. It is absolutely spectacular. It's kind of a navy blue on blue, little cheetah print with a cheetah down at the bottom. We are beginning to receive our fall deliveries, pre-fall deliveries. The colors are just changing a little bit, going a little bit darker. So these are fun things that you can wear right now in the little bit darker color, because it's still pretty warm here where we are, but these are all cotton pieces. So if you're interested in this as well, head over to the website. But before we leave tonight, I want to tell y'all about Monday, July the 28th, which is like right here. We're having open play Mahjong or games in the Bubble Bar. So if you want to come, it's open play. Bring whatever you want to play with. We'll have tables set up. We would love it if you kind of let us know you were coming. So we make sure we have plenty of room for you all. We did this not too long ago, and it was just so much fun. And then on July 30th, which is a Wednesday, we're having Miss Savannah Mahjong will be here for another lesson. So we start at 3 o'clock until 6 o'clock on Wednesday, and it's $65 a person. If you are a beginner or you're at any level and just need a little refresher, this is a great class to take. Now, let me go back on Monday. That is complimentary, and it's open play day. The open play day is complimentary. It's just a great way to kind of get you out of the house. It starts at 5 o'clock. We'll be here with you. Hopefully we'll get to sit down and play some games with you. So we would love to see you all there. If you want a ticket to the class with Savannah Mahjong, you do have to purchase the ticket for that, because we do have limited seating. Head over to our website on the New Arrivals, and you'll see it there.